This brand features a simple Wi-Fi-enabled programmable thermostat that can be controlled through the Wyze app or with voice commands from Alexa and Google Assistant. The unit provides energy-saving tips that are based on your energy usage history, and it has home, away, and sleep modes for energy savings. The thermostat uses your smartphone location to automatically switch between home and away modes, and it can work with up to 6 individual room temperature sensors. The thermostat averages the temperatures from any connected room sensors for improved comfort throughout the home, but the sensors do not control zone dampers. The control requires a common thermostat wire, but provides a common wire kit that is included for homes where the thermostat wiring does not have the C wire. The thermostats are easy to install and can be purchased directly through their Amazon store, but their guarantee is not very good when compared to other brands. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.